Hey everybody, Russ here. Today I'm going to show you how to make sure that water is going into your hot water heater, because you do not want to turn that bad boy on if you don't have water going into your water heater.
Along these roads we roam, we find adventure through traveling, camping, boondocking, and exploring.
Now this is something that Carrie and I really struggled with, trying to figure out not only where to look, but what to look for. It took us a couple of months to figure this out, so we thought we'd do a quick video and show you how it's done.
This is going to be on the driver's side front couch area. We removed this panel, so you'll have to have a Phillips screwdriver. That inside here, you'll notice there's some red and blue lines. There's 3 valves, 1, 2, 3. This is your splitter. So your 2 lines that are going into the water heater, they'll be parallel, running into the tank, and then you'll cut this flow off. So that makes it run through the water heater and then into your hot water line. As long as you're camping, you leave your valves in that setting.
All right, everybody, as you can see, it's a very simple task, but it cost Carrie and I a lot of heartache in the beginning. I hope you enjoyed the video.